Do you know what Biopori is? Or have you ever made your own Biopori at home? If you don't know what Biopori is and how to make it, let's learn together. Biopori is also called a Biopori infiltration hole, which is made perpendicular to the ground. This hole has a diameter between 10 to 30 centimeters and has no shallow groundwater level. The hole is then filled with organic waste that has functioned as food for living things in the soil, such as worms and plant roots. Benefit of Biopori. Making Biopori also has a goal so that we get benefits. Here are 4 benefits that we get if you make a Biopori infiltration hole in the home.
Reducing organic waste. Making Biopori infiltration holes can reduce organic waste from our home to landfill. Because when we make a hole, one of process that must be gone into other organic waste. In addition to reducing organic waste that will be disposed of to landfill. Making Biopori will also make ordinary people sort out between organic and inorganic waste. Fertilize the soil. When we put organic waste into a pit, a biological process will occur with the turn of the compost. With the formation for compost is the whole. It will certainly make the soil from fertile. Number 3. Help prevent flooding. At present, flood often occur whether in cities or village, and one of the causes is poor drainage system. Usually in densely populated area, drainage is poor due to lack of water absorption capacity. By making a Biopori infiltration hole, it can help water to get into the ground immediately. In addition, organic waste in the pit is food from earthworms. Worms that enter the hole will make small tunnel in the ground when heading to hole filled with organic waste. This will incontinently make the water seep more quickly into the ground. Number 4. Affecting the amount of groundwater. Small tunnel earthworm will increase the surface area of the soil. This will certainly increase the capacity of the soil to collect water. In fact, this Biopori infiltration hole is able to increase the absorption area to 40 times.
Biopori manufacturing location. Making Biopori should be done in an open area that will be exposed to right water. We can make in the yard, around the trash, around the parking lot, and other open spaces. How to make Biopori? The following will be explained about how we make Biopori, starting from the tools and material needed to the manufacturing step. Tools and material: crown drill, PVC pipe, and cover the have been perforated by the side. organic trash, water.
Steps to making biopori. Before starting to make biopori, first we determine the location that will be used as a place of manufacture. After we determining the location, water the soil that will be used as place to make biopori to softer the soil and easier to perforate. Make a hole in the ground using a ground drill. Try to make it perpendicular. Make a hole with a depth of approximately 1 meters with a diameter of 10 until 30 centimeters. After that, cut the holes using a PVC pipe the same size as a hole diameter. Then, fill the hole with organic waste such as leaves, grass, fruit skins, trash from other plants. And at the end, close the hole using a iron wire, or you can also use PVC pipe cap that has been perforated first.
Tips and tricks. To make it easier to make biopori infiltration holes, follow the tips and tricks below. Each drill bit completely into the ground. Pull the drill bit while rotating to the right, then clean the soil carried by the drill bit. After that, continue drilling the soil again. Begin water with water during the drilling process to make it easier to make a hole in the ground. When there are rocks or gravels blocking, we can stop making holes or can be removed before the disturbing stone. If you don't have a ground drill, a crowbar can also be used to make a hole. You can do cementing around the hole so that biopori is more durable.
Biopori care. These biopori infiltration holes must also be cared for in order to maintain its quality and function property. We need to do the following things to treat biopori holes. We can fill biopori hole with organic waste gradually every 5 until the hole are functioned with garbage. We can leave the biopori infiltration holes filled with garbage and we can leave it for 3 months so that waste will become compost. After 3 months, remove the finished compost from the biopori hole and the hole is ready to fill again with new garbage. Biopori is ready to be used fertilizer plant in the home here.